beauty and abandonment sometimes, somehow. Ah, beautiful day. Abandoned trailer behind an abandoned farmhouse. Do-do-do-do, nothing sketchy at all. Hey kid, I'm a computer. Help computer. Stop all the downloads. Oh, an old answering machine with tape. Holy snot, guys, it turned on. Man, it's been a minute or two since I seen an IDE drive. Oh, Windows XP, it's been a while, girl. And as you can see here, this is a Dimension 4200. 2400 and the weeds. Oh man, found some illegal material, my guys. Alright, the interweb says this is a 2003 system. It's about 20 years old. This thing came from an abandoned garage, basically. I think we gotta give Dell props, guys. Like, seriously, this thing still works. We have a picture file. I'm a little bit surprised that I can transfer all this stuff with a USB 3.0 drive. Not at 3.0 speeds. Got Rise of Cobra. Newest file is 2012. Holy crackers and cheese, Batman. Y'all remember Bejeweled? Jeez, it's been a long time. I remember Frodo. I was there back when magic was created. By the way, the USB 3.0 didn't work. Speaking of the drive, let's see what we salvaged, shall we? Okay, so we have an interesting smorgasbord of video and images. This has got to be one of the more interesting caches of images I got. This guy smoking a fat chronic blunt. Look at those paint. What the heck? Man, everybody is going to get COVID from this. There's no social distancing going on here at all. Everybody's swapping spit. Yep, it's good stuff. Look, check out this chick's eyes. Man, interesting. Everyone's having a good time. That's Grandma there. Unfortunately, she passed away, but I have a good feeling that she was up in smoke when she was. I found this gentleman over here, big smile. I think he is their son. And I got some artifact here. Let's see. They were growing weed when weed wasn't supposed to be grown, but they were doing it like right behind the barn. Yeah. Man, these guys really like their stock. They took a lot of pics. Oh my goodness, I just realized right here, I know what kind of camera they have. An Olympus X36. Lovely. Oh, he looks great. Looking good, Bubba. Bub's got an appreciation for puppy dog. And Grandma's got an appreciation hummingbird. That's an orb spider. It terrifies me. I would probably still tickle it, though. Looks like there's a bunch of turkeys that keep trespassing on the property. Looks like the turkeys are getting baked, so they keep coming back. Sometimes you gotta wait for a bro to be sleepy before you take a picture. Consent wasn't a thing back in the day. I am to understand that in the 20s it was the same thing with women. If they went to sleep, you could just jump them just like that. If they didn't say no, it was fine. Oh, who's a good boy? Oh, I'm pretty sure this puppy knew he was a good boy. You're not punk, and I'm telling everyone. Shut your mouth, I never was one. Bubba enjoying some fishing. I really love the way that you can see these individuals appreciate nature. That's just beautiful. So all of the marijuanica, the wacky tobacco, comes from about 2003. Oh yeah, before we get started, let's talk about this. Oh, this jealous puppy dog. Oh, he's so jealous. Oh, he's so jealous. Oh, he's so jealous. Geez, that trash pile was always there the whole time. I guess it never moved. Anyways, this is something I'm kind of curious about. Why? Why did he do this? Why did he make this video? Clearly he wanted a shot of something, right? So I've gone through this video. Nobody's saying anything, but I'm thinking we're watching the distillation of some old folks' relationships here. So he's making the video. Of course, they sit down. Nothing is said. They don't say a damn thing. But what I will notice is the woman will get up, she'll get a coffee or something, she'll come back and she'll refill his coffee, it looks like. Maybe she put some poison in it or something, but she did fill his coffee. She did. So that kind of tells me that they like each other still, that everything's maybe okay. Oh, I'm telling you, I know she really felt. Yeah, don't make me a liar. Oh, she's gonna make me a liar. There we go, I found it. She refills his coffee. Maybe with her urine, I don't know. It's that good stuff from Mama's pot. But legitimately, a lot of the rest of it seems to be him wanting to catch her in something. Oh my god, look at this guy's sneaky face. Oh yeah, I'm a sneaky 007 agent. I'm gonna catch her in something.
So, like, I'm pretty sure he's just rage baiting his wife at the point, or this poor woman. It looks like they should have broken up or divorced or something, but he's trying to pull something out of her. Maybe some mean thing, but the rest of these videos, it's funny. It's like he walks down the hall and he just sets the camera up against the wall, expecting her to freak out and come flying around the corner like an angry spirit nun or something. I don't get it, but hey, it's nice to know that I'm not the only one who has had problems in relationships.
I don't mean to find meaning in these old computers or these old files, but it just keeps freaking happening. One time at Value Village, I got this system that had the hard drive in it. I got it going again, and I got someone's information. She wrote a journal in it, and within the journal, she talked about how she met her husband really easily. They knew each other for about 2 weeks. They both went to the doctor. They were in Europe. They were both going to Canada. One was going home to Canada. One was moving there for some reason. The doctor said, "Why don't you guys get married?" And they were like, "Okay, that's a good idea." And blam, they got married. He comes back to Canada. He gets a job working in whatever it is when you make drainage ditches and make things look really cool in the farmland. Anyways, it was wonderful. She had a great life with him. In the end, I even found pictures of her funeral that seemed to be taken by her granddaughter that inherited the computer only long enough to install something stupid and crash the whole thing by dividing by zero or something like that. But within these old computers, I find meaning. In the dissolution of my marriage, I find that, hey, maybe it is better to be retired or retired from marriage, to be divorced, than it is to be old and taking videos of each other without knowing. The funnest videos are taken when everybody knows what's going on. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one. Take care of each other, though. Seriously, guys.